You've been doing dopamine detox all wrong. Quitting your phone for a weekend isn't discipline. It's just another way to fail. You delete social media. You install blockers. You swear off YouTube. Then 3 days later, you're back, binging harder than before. That's not a detox. That's a crash diet for your brain. And crash diets never work. The problem isn't your willpower. The problem is you're trying to remove dopamine instead of rewiring it. Top 1% performers don't quit pleasure. They hack the schedule. Here's the real method. Stop cutting cold turkey. You will relapse every time. Instead, delay your first hit by 90 minutes every morning. No phone, no news, no scroll. Just wake, water, work. Start with low-flow dopamine first. Cold shower, 10 push-ups, reading 1 page of a boring book. Train your brain to enjoy effort before you earn the easy reward. Use the 1-tab rule. Only 1 dopamine source at a time. No music while scrolling, no snack while watching. Single-channel input kills the hyperstimulation that fries your receptors. Set a friction timer. Want to open Instagram? Wait 60 seconds. Physically sit there. Feel the urge spike and drop. That delay rebuilds your self-control like a muscle. Replace, don't remove. Every time you cut a high dopamine habit, add a boring one. Stretch, breathe, organize a drawer. Your brain needs something to do, not a void to panic in. Schedule your peaks intentionally. 2 15-minute windows per day. That's it. Morning and evening. In those windows, go wild. Scroll, game, watch. Outside those windows, zero guilt, zero access. Track your baseline, not your streak. Count how many times you reach for dopamine on autopilot. No judgment, just data. Awareness alone cuts the habit by 40%. No app needed. The difference between burnout and control? Average people fight dopamine. Top performers orchestrate it. You don't need a monk lifestyle. You need a system that works with your brain, not against it. Comment WIRE right now, then subscribe. Or keep detoxing every Monday and failing by Wednesday. Your nervous system is listening.